Welcome to EDU World Space.
We know that the power is 450 watts and the voltage or the potential difference is 120 volts. In part A, we're asked what is the operating resistance. So we can use this equation. P is equal to VAB squared over R. And then R is VAB squared over P, which is 120 volts squared divided by 540 watts, which gives us a value of 26.7 ohms. And now we move on to part B. In part B, what current does it draw? So we want to know what current is being drawn. So we can use V is equal to IR, and then I is V over R. And then V is 120 volts. R we found in part A. So that's 26.7 ohms. And that gives us 4.5 amperes. In part C, if the line voltage drops to 110 volts, what power does the heater take? Assume that the resistance is constant. Okay, so again, we have P equals VAB squared over R. So we're given a new VAB, which is 110 volts. And we're told that R didn't change. So that then R is still 26.7 ohms. And in this case, we'll have 453 watts. And now part D. Part D says the heater coils are metallic, so the resistance of the heater decreases with increasing temperature. And if the change of resistance with temperature is taken into account, what will the electrical power be consumed by the heater? Will it be larger or smaller than in the case of part C? Well, in this case, then if we take the temperature into consideration, when we have a lower line voltage, then we'll have a decrease in current and the temperature will decrease. And if the temperature decreases, then the resistance will be less than what we found here. And if the resistance is less, then the power consumed will go up.